Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Automation Techie. So today we will talk about string constant pool and heap memory. Whenever we create or assign a value to a string with new keyword, and whenever we assign a value to a string without new keyword, then what happens with these values? Where these values get stored, whether in heap memory or pool memory, we will understand this with the help of diagram. So first of all, as we all know, a string is a class in Java and is a non-primitive data type. So whenever we assign a value to a string, it is indirectly or directly creating an object of a string, because string is a class. So whenever we create an object of a class, then the reference of the class gets stored into stack memory. Alright, and the value of these objects of the string object, the value we assign, whether it will go to heap memory or to pool memory, depending upon how we have created or assigned the value to string. So this is my heap memory, and inside heap memory we have pool memory. So this is my heap memory, and inside heap memory I have pool memory, string pool memory, string constant pool memory, string constant pool memory. Alright, so first statement, suppose I have first statement as this line. Alright, so when this is creating object of a string class and assigning value test. So in this case, what will happen, the reference variable will go into stack. Here the str is my variable, and the value of this str will go into heap. Alright, why? Because we have created string with new keyword. Whenever we assign a value to a string with new keyword, the value gets stored into heap memory directly. Alright, so it will the value will get stored into heap memory, and now this address will refer to this test value. Alright, the second statement I have is this, without new keyword I have assigned a value to a string. Now this str will get created into stack memory, and this is my str1, and the value of str1 is test1. It will go into pool, and it will first check if inside the pool memory if any test1 value is already there. So there is no value in my pool memory with the value name as test1, so it will create a value as test1. Alright, now this address will refer to this value. Alright, suppose I have another statement with new keyword, but the value is same. So my statement is string str2 equal to new string, and the value is same as str. Now in this case, what will happen, inside, because this is with the new keyword, then this value will directly go and store into heap memory, and inside heap memory it will never check if the value is already there or not. It will simply go and assign a value, assign to a address this test value, and the variable will get into stack. Variable name is str2, so here str2, and now this str2 will refer to this. Alright, and again, if I have same value, if I have assigned same value to a different object without new keyword, see, there is different variable strt3, and I have assigned the same value. In this case, what will happen, because this will directly go to pool memory and assign a address to this value, then first in the pool memory it will check if there is already test1 existent, then yes, we have already test 1, then it will not assign or not create the different address to my test 1. This is already there. It will simply refer the test 3 here, str3, and it will refer to this. So in this case, what is happening, the address of my test1 value is same in pool memory, but the address of my test value is different in heap memory. Alright, because these values are at some address in pool memory, or right, we every value in heap memory or pool memory have some address with it. Alright, so when we create a object or assign value with new keyword, it will always, no matter if the value is same, it will always create a different value in heap memory. But inside pool memory, it will check if the value is already there, then it will not create another address or reference, and it will, my object will or variable will refer to the this address. Alright, now we will see with the help of a program. Suppose if I write, if I want to check if str and str2 is equals means with the help of double equals operator. Understand the difference, that I am not using equals. When I will use equals keyword, then it will, if I will use equals keyword, it will compare the value. Okay, but when I will use double equal operator, it will compare the address of the value. Alright, so I want to print if the value of str and str2 is same, and then again I want to check if the str1 and str3 is equal str3. Let's see what it prints. Run the program and see, the value of my first str and str2 is false. Alright, because the address in heap memory of both the test is different. They both test values are located at different location, but the value of str1 and str3 of address is same, because both the variables are referring to the same address. Alright, so this is the difference between heap and pool memory. And so we generally prefer assigning value to string like this because it saves the memory. Alright, so that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.